You need to hear this if you're a martial arts enthusiast. Starting is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. Day 1, you're a blank canvas. Every kick, punch, and stance feels foreign. But remember, every black belt was once a white belt. Commit to your training. Show up even when it's tough. Consistency is your secret weapon. You'll start to see progress. A punch that once felt awkward now feels powerful. A kick that barely lifted inches off the ground now soars. It's more than just physical strength. Martial arts train your mind, build discipline, and boost confidence. You'll find a community, fellow warriors who support and challenge you. This journey isn't solo. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Mistakes are just lessons in disguise. Keep pushing forward, and one day you'll look back and realize you didn't just learn martial arts. You became a martial artist. Unlock your inner warrior. Start your journey today.